Hi, I'm Joe Crisara, and I wanted to announce that this August 2018 in Boston will be our 200th Total Immersion Summit. We just wanted to say how thankful we are to all of you who have helped us teach pure motive service to the blue-collar trades. Whether you are a colleague who has referred us, a tough competitor who has boosted our motivation to exceed your value, or a client who has invested in us to improve your results, we say thanks. Our success would not be possible without you. Pure motive service is the heart of our program, showing our clients how to create an intimate connection, to create personalized, premium, mid-range, and economy options, and finally, bringing every opportunity to a conclusion are the principles we strive to teach. We thank you all for helping us change the world by putting these concepts into action. After tracking the results, the average Total Immersion student has increased their revenue and profit by 278% overall. We are proud of all of you who had the courage to change your thinking and offer a new and better way of showing your services to your clients. This fall, how would you like to make history and increase your sales and customer service results at the same time? Well, now is your chance to do just that by attending our 200th Total Immersion Summit this August in Boston. Throughout the fall 2018 Total Immersion training season, we'll celebrate this historic event by giving you special bonus commemorative gifts along with visits from some of our most famous students so you can learn with the top people and the planet. Because each Total Immersion will feature special guests who will share their inside secrets, tickets are going fast. However, there's still time to get your tickets to attend and become part of history in the making. Just go to tisummit.com, pick the location you want to join us, and begin improving your results. Remember that all students will receive 4 weeks of video coaching prep before the summit and 4 weeks of follow-through coaching after you attend the event to max out your results. Whether you join us at the 200th Total Immersion Summit in Boston or at the Minneapolis, Los Angeles, or San Antonio Summit, we wanted to thank more than 3,800 clients since 2004 who have used our training by growing and giving options, not ultimatums. Again, go to tisummit.com to sign up before you lose the chance to make history. I look forward to seeing you this fall and helping you make this year the best year ever.